Good day, everyone. Good afternoon on a Wednesday, April 3rd. Wednesday. I already said Wednesday, but look at this.
Can't move around anyway. Hey, birds can pick things up. Maybe they clean up the leaves in the forest and use them.
I got it going.
But there are too many leaves. The birds can't.
But I found what the issue was. There's a relay that's in there. I popped the cover, I pushed it together, and then here came on the screen.
We need more observation.
There was nothing wrong with the board or anything.
I'll tell my dad. I'll bring the magnifying glass and notebook. Dad, we're done raking. We're going to the forest now to solve a leafy mystery.
Okay, thanks for the help. Don't go too far.
Woohoo! Fall is here, and the leaves are falling down.
This is coming off in the RCA over the air block. You can see it's clear here, but you can see the picture here. I'll have to work on that a little more.
So many leaves fall from the trees every year.
And see, look at that.
Why are there huge piles of them everywhere?
Finally got it.
Yeah, where do all the leaves go?
So here you go. Put this one
Maybe a giant hungry bat eats them.
on the list for a partial completion, because I have to see about that relay. But
That one looks just like the leaves at my house.
there you go.
It's soft
There's the
and
sound.
it's just like the ones we rake. I'll draw it in my notebook.
Let's see.
Colorful and bendy. Let's get some more. Oh, some of these look different. That is so interesting. These leaves are the same shade, but it looks like they're turning brown. It's all dry and crumbly. Brown leaves, dry and crumbly.
It looks bright on the screen here.
They must have fallen a while
But
ago.
here's another remote. This wasn't the remote that went with it.
Mushy. Older leaves, brown and mushy. Let's dig a little deeper. They get darker and mushier the deeper you go. Olive, can you pass me the magnifying glass? Look, and now there's just dirt. But the dirt under the leaves has broken up bits of leaves in it. Dirt with leaf bits. That's called soil. So the newest leaves at the top are colorful and bendy, and the leaves under that are dry and crumbly. But the older leaves below are brown and mushy. And the oldest ones at the bottom are broken up and mixed in with the soil. Oh!
That should do.
I think I know. Nobody rakes the leaves in the forest. They don't go anywhere. Yeah, they just lay here and get old and mushy and brown. And become part of the soil. Woohoo! Woohoo! We did it! We figured
Exactly.
out what happens
That's what
to
I was
leaves
saying.
in the forest. Let's go tell your dad our idea, Ari. Yeah, and have a snack. Dad, we want to figure out what
Well, I didn't know
happens to
it was
leaves that fall
exactly
in the forest.
going to come on now,
Because we
but I
wondered if
did
no
have it
one
hooked on
rakes
this
them,
for a while.
where'd they go?
I wanted to see how much wattage was
Now,
coming out of it.
that's an interesting question.
But
And
now
what
that
did you
it's
learn?
that it's
We
active,
think that leaves in the forest don't get cleaned up. They just fall to the ground, they sit there for a while, and get brown and mushy. And then they break into pieces and get mixed in with the soil.
What?